True love make this beat.
I know she I don't need her. I don't love no. Ooh, no, I can't cuff no. Kick her right out the spot. Ooh, after she did the squat. Ooh, no, I can't cuff no. No, I can't love no. Ooh, no, I can't cuff no. No, I can't love no. Ooh, no.
What's good, KBT gang? It's your girl Brianna, and I'm back today with another banger. So guys, as y'all can tell by that title, I'm gonna be doing the fake coffin with blood prank on my mom. So guys, I told her this morning that I wasn't feeling good, but she was like, "What happened to you? How you feel?" And I was like, "I feel like I want to puke," but she didn't say nothing. But guys, before I go into this video, make sure y'all go subscribe to Noya English. I'm gonna put her name right here, and her link will be in the description down below. Make sure y'all like, follow, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can know whenever I post. And I'm just gonna get into this video and put the blood on this napkin and stuff. Yo, this should look real. This should look real. I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Alright guys, so we don't need no more than this right here. Y'all feel me? So I'm gonna actually set up the camera inside because I had to make this intro outside because she's like in the house. So yes guys. So whenever I set up the camera inside, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Guys, she's in the washroom. Mommy, I cough up blood. Huh? No, hurry. Mommy, I can't run some of everything I think I joke.
Let me see it. Oh my God! Come here, call 311. 911.
Anybody can know if you can fake. Mommy, I can't run some. Everything I take for two.
So come, get ready, we can go by hospital. Do you have insurance here?
No.
You know, sit down there now.
I used to work here.
Eh? Been off the bed.
So what was that for you?
See him here.
You know the sense. You know my mother. Mommy done now.
got the right paint. That look like the blood that you bought. See? And it's blood.
This prank was an epic fail. Yes, it's a go. It's a go. Hi guys, she got me. I didn't, cause I laughed, so she didn't get me. I mean, I didn't get her.
Oh, to the phone I use. Stop using your brother phone. You love people things too much.
Excuse yourself. But nah, Auntie Michelle edit nothing. It's gonna be in there. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Make sure y'all comment down below Team Bree, cause I'm gonna come back with some more bangers. I forgot where I'm laughing something, cause my love laugh. That alone give me away. So, bye y'all. Peace.